Hello guys, it's Lunar here. Welcome to this Little Nightmares 2 guide video. In this one I'm going over all 12 hat locations in game needed for several of the game's achievements. The hats can be worn just to make your character mono look better, and I'm showing you how to get all 12. Now you start with one, the paper bag. Two of the hats are part of downloadable content, the Mokujin hat, which you will start with if you download it, and the Gnome's hat, which you can pick up in the first mission. 8 hats are found in the default game's first 4 chapters, and 1 is given for completing the final chapter. Okay, so let's jump into the first hat. The first hat is the Raccoon hat and is located inside the very first house in Chapter 1, The Wilderness. After leaving the kitchen, head down the hallway and go to the room on the left to find the hat. The second hat is found in the attic, but is part of the downloadable content, and this chapter says there are 2 hats to find, but if you get this one, it's technically 3 in Chapter 1. After collecting the key in the attic, a small gnome will appear wearing the hat. You have to follow him and complete the puzzles to get the hat as a reward. The third hat and final hat in Chapter 1 is the Yellow Rain Hat. After your first encounter with the Hunter, you come across a bridge that you must jump across, and just after you jump across, there is a hat located up a tree inside of a cage. Just jump on the cage to make it drop down, and then you can pick it up. In Chapter 2, the first hat that you will find is the soccer ball mask, and it's just outside the school in the playground. The mask is sitting in the dumpster next to the school's main entrance. The second hat is found in the school this time, and after the second teacher encounter you will find yourself in a library and you must move the ladder to reach it on a bookshelf. The first hat in Chapter 3 is in the nursery next to the room with the X-ray machine. The hat is located on top of the bookshelf. The second hat in Chapter 3 is located in the morgue. After you encounter the doctor the first time, you find yourself in the morgue trying to reach a key. The mummy hat is found inside one of the locked storage containers. In Chapter 4, the postman's hat is very easy to miss. While you are in Pale City, you will come across this mailroom. There is a secret tunnel in the letters where you will find the hat. The final discoverable hat is in the toy store after the street with all the viewers standing around. You can move the shopping cart to get onto the shelves in order to reach the hat. So guys, you should now have all the hats in game, 9 discovered from the first 4 missions, including the gnome hat that you get from the Ack in Chapter 1. You start with the paper bag and the Mokujin hat if you have it downloaded, and you get the final hat from finishing the main story for 12 in total. That's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Leave a like if you did. Don't forget to check out my other Little Nightmares 2 videos for more guides and other content. You can also subscribe for game guides on the latest games as they release. And with that being said, I will catch you guys all again in the next video.